Today I'm going to be installing the running board for the Hyundai Palisade. I'm going to be removing the mudguard first. There are two screws right here, and I believe there's another one at the bottom of the mudguard. Right there, if you can see it. Look like it's a pin tab. Probably just put a screwdriver in there and pop it out. Okay, I got the mudguard out, two screw, and this tab right here. Use a flathead screwdriver and took it out. Alright, I got the mudguard out. Now I'm going to go to the back. There's a screw in the back here also that I need to take out. Go ahead and take that out. Alright, the next part is just pull this out. Unfortunately there's no easy way. You just have to pull it out, and it's just gonna take some muscle, and I did it on the other side and I thought I was gonna break something, but it's as simple as just pulling it out. Alright, I started pulling it out. It's just a whole bunch of clip. You can see it right there. There's one at the bottom. It's best to start from the back, pulling the back off first, and then slowly going forward. You're just pulling it out. Let me see if I can pull it with one hand. There you go. And then you have to pull the side and the bottom out at the same time, because there are some clips at the bottom here, underneath here. So you have to use your other hand just to pull the bottom and the side at the same time. So keep on pulling it out, going forward to the front. But I would recommend going from the back first and going forward. Finally got it out. It's just you just have to use some force and just pull it out one by one, starting from the back. It's just a bunch of tab. You can see right here. It's on the side and on the bottom. Just have to go one by one, pulling it out. But it was pretty easy. Just have to use some force just pulling it out. At this point, I think I have to save this piece right here because the running board doesn't come with it. I probably have to take it manually out and put it on the running board. It's like, alright, this is the right side of the running board. bottom part. That's the front. The next step I need to do is to transfer this rubber piece right here. I guess it's some kind of door guard. It doesn't come with the running boards, so I'm gonna take the rubber piece out and move it over to the running board right here. So in order to do this, I have to turn it around and remove these yellow clip one by one, and then take the rubber piece out and move it to the running board. You do use a small plier, nose plier. It should be much easier. You just hold it together and push it down, and it's going to come out pretty easy. You just pull it out at the bottom. Okay, I'm going through this one by one, removing the clip. First I have to, there's a hook on the other side. I have to turn it around, unhook this right here. It comes off like that. Then I have to flip it back and then remove the clip, the yellow clip right here. So all you have to do is just squeeze it in with a plier, and then just push it down and pull it out. And that should be it. I got a few more to do. Okay, I got the rubber piece out. Now I just need to put it back on, put it on the running board. I have to hook it up onto this thing right here, and then push the clip in. And I have to do it one by one. It's kind of like a hook right here that hold the rubber, and then you push the clip in. So it's gonna take some time for me to finish this, but pretty much this is the tedious part right here. Alright, I finally got the rubber piece in. It looked pretty good. Took me like 15 minutes. It wasn't too bad. As you can see, the yellow clip, I have to push it in one by one and hook it up to the hook over here. I don't know if you can see it. So that's it. Now I just have to put it back, put this onto the car. Alright, I'm at the point where I need to put these clips in. They look like this. These are for the side of the car. You unscrew them, and then you put the anchor in. These are the anchor right here. Just right here, put them in like this. Kind of blurry. There's a rubber band that holds the clip together, and you just slide one end of the clip in, push it, and pop the other side in. And you can see it. Kind of difficult to do it one hand. There you go. And the rubber band would adjust it correctly. And then for this one, this is the clip for the bottom. Look like this. Open one of these and just hook this to the bottom. Let me get under the car and I can show you real quick. Okay, I'm putting these anchor in. It's pretty easy. I think this is how it goes. This is the first time I'm doing it. goes in like this, and there's a rubber band around it to hold it and pull it back. Snap it in like this. There it goes. And I guess the bolt will go in here like this. So almost there. Just need to put these in and then hold it up. Got a few more to do. And this is the anchor bolt for the bottom piece. I'm gonna just go underneath the car and just put this in. There are 5 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. All right. This is one that anchor right here. So all I have to do is just put the side in first, and it goes in like that, and you just turn it. And that should be it. There you go. I got 6 more going down. There are 6 of them. All right. Okay, here I got it temporary with all the bolt put in. It's not tightened yet. I'm just putting it loosely in. But now I just need to tighten it, and it should be good. Actually, at the bottom there was actually 6 instead of 5. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of dark. Where is it? Trying to look for it. It's so hard. There it goes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes down further. So everything's in. I just need to tighten it up and test it out. But so far so good. Alright, looking good so far. I tightened all the bolt. Everything's tightened up. It looked very sturdy. I was able to step on it with no problem. And I just need to do the mudguard right here. Put this in, and I'm done with one side, and I'm gonna start on the other side. Okay, looks like I'm done here. Finished on the right side. Now I gotta work on the left side. It looked good so far. I just finished installing the mudguard. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the original mudguard. It's a little bit too small. Yeah, the running board came with 2 bigger mudguard. I had to put that in, and it looked pretty good so far. So this is the original one, and this is the other one is the one that came with the running board. So far so good. Okay, I finished the right hand side of the car. Now I'm doing the left hand side. I had to turn the wheel to the left so that I can reach the screws on the mudguard right here. I'm go ahead and take the mudguard out and go ahead and start taking the trim at the bottom here out also. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. Alright, I got the mudguard out. Now I'm gonna go to the back. There's a screw in the back here also that I need to take out. Go ahead and take that out. Alright, the next part is just pull this out. It's unfortunately there's no easy way. You just have to pull it out, and yeah, it's just gonna take some muscle. And I did it on the other side, and I thought I was gonna break something, but it's as simple as just pulling it out. Alright, I started pulling it out. It's just a whole bunch of clip. You can see it right there. There's one at the bottom. It's best to start from the back, pulling the back off first, and then slowly going forward. You're just pulling it out. Let me see if I can pull it with one hand. There you go. And then you have to pull the side and the bottom out at the same time, because there are some clips at the bottom here, underneath here. So you have to use your other hand just to pull the bottom and the side at the same time. So keep on pulling it out, going forward to the front. But I would recommend going from the back first and going forward. Alright, I'm getting ready to put this running board on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything else out. That's a bunch of clips that when I pull it out that are still on there. This clip right here, all you have to do is turn it and pull it out, and it should come out. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just turn it and it should come out. And let me see if there's anything else. Let me check. How's the door lock? Okay, here I'm getting ready to put the running board in. I got all the locks in. There are 8 of these. The first one doesn't have any because there's a clip right here. And you can see it, there's a clip right here. So you just put the clip in. Same as for the middle right here, under the door. There's another clip right there. So you don't need a lock like these right here. So I'm using this to hold up one side because I'm doing this by myself. And then just lock it in right here first. Alright, look like I got everything in. All the screws are in, side and the bottom. I haven't tightened them yet. I wouldn't recommend tightening it until you put everything in first, and then go back and tighten them one by one. Make sure everything lined up correctly first. So now I'm good to go. I'm just gonna go back and tighten each one of them up. Same for the bottom. I put them in, and now I just need to tighten them. Okay, let me get to the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. There you go. There's 1, 2, and it goes. There you go. The others. I just need to go back and tighten them. So everything look good so far. All right. So far so good. I tightened everything up. It's looking good. Very sturdy. I step on it, and now I just have to put in the mud guard, which is right here. Goes right there, and that should be good. That should be it. I'm done. Alright, I added the mud guard and tightened the screw in the back, and look like I'm done here. I just need to put these sticker on to cover the screw, and I'm done. So it looked pretty good. I can stand on it, very sturdy. Looks very good. Walk to the other side. There you go.